Alright, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you yourself can start getting quality emails from any social media handle of your choice. So basically, practically, you're going to be seeing me how I generate email lists for myself and even for people who pay me to do so. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to get emails from Instagram, emails from Twitter, emails from Facebook, emails from YouTube, anywhere you choose to get your emails from. So one of the many tools I make use of when it comes to scraping or getting quality email lists is the lead sniper tools. Many a times you have seen countless videos here on my channel, and the reason is because I can't just stop fucking about the good things the software can do. Many people who struggle to get their email list and eventually watch my video or eventually make use of the lead sniper tools actually have positive answers or positive result from them. So in this video, let me show you quickly how you yourself can use this tool to start getting quality emails all by yourself. All right, in my previous video, this basic video here, you can see how this video is actually booming. A lot of people are watching this and they are finding it really helpful. So this video here, I talked more about the lead sniper tool, especially the Google search scraper tool. All right, that is the main software that will help you generate quality emails from any social media handle of your choice. So if you actually want to watch this video, I recommend you do that. Why? Because I go in depth into showing you how to activate it, how to install it into your computer, and also how to run the software. But to this video, I'm going to just go more and show you deep dive into how you can use this tool once again to get quality emails all by yourself. So now I have been able to install this tool into my computer, so it is very easy to install. Remember, I told you that this particular video here is going to teach you how to do it. So once you've been able to get this tool already installed into your computer, you've been able to activate it. Okay, now how do you get to use this tool to get quality emails for yourself? Very simple and very easy to do. All you need to do right now is you want to go ahead and actually tell those two the exact kind of persons that you are targeting. For instance, now one thing about emails is that you should know the kind of persons you want to reach out to. So probably you want to reach out to doctors, probably you want to reach out to influencers, probably you want to reach out to maybe nurses, probably you want to get emails of people who are in the health line, maybe lawyers, anything. This tool is capable, more than capable to help you get them. So once you have an idea of the kind of persons you want to reach out to, so for me, I'm going to be targeting the set of persons here. Very easy and very easy. So I have the kind of persons I want to reach out to, and you also want to do the same. And now you can have as many persons as possible, so you don't have a limitation to how many people you can have here. So you can have at least 15 persons, 10 people you are targeting, 15 people you are targeting, 50, 16, it doesn't really matter. All you have to do is just tell those two that this is the kind of persons I am targeting, these are the kind of persons that I want to get their emails. So once you've been able to do that, the next thing you have to do is to just follow the other prompt right here. So you want to go ahead and choose what kind of emails are you trying to get. What kind of emails you want to go for. Public emails such as at gmail.com, at yahoo.com, at outlook.com, and all like that. Many of you would actually want to skip this part, and I'm telling you something. Many reasons why you don't get the result I get is because you just watch part of the video and you skip the rest. Remember, I tell you that every of my video is very informative. I try as much as possible to make sure that I show you guys practically how me myself do everything I do here to get results. So if you don't follow me accordingly, you might miss a step, and that step is capable enough to help you ruin the whole process. So please always make sure to follow me all along. So once you've been able to choose the email type you want to go with, you can also go ahead and choose the social media handle of your choice. And now please, you need to have clarity on this. Where do you want to target? What social media handle are you trying to target? So me myself, I decided to go with Instagram for this particular video. Okay, so I want to get emails of people on Instagram. You can see, so I have a lot of persons here. I can go with social media handles like Facebook, I can go with Twitter, I can go with TikTok, I can go with YouTube, I can go with any other one of my choice. But for this video, I want to target this kind of persons that are on Instagram. So once I've been able to choose the social media handle, the next thing I have to do is I have the leverage of choosing the particular country I want to get my email list from. And those of you who are basically targeting so many countries, you can see that we have a lot of countries here that you can go ahead and target. US, you have Nigeria, you have Libya, you have Asia, you have anything. Asia is not a country, sorry, Asia is a continent. You have a lot of other countries here here that you can target. So you want to go ahead and choose the particular country that you want to go with. So for me, I'm going to choose this right here, okay, just to give you guys a demo, okay, show you guys how it's been done. Now once you've been able to fit all of those things, you see, lead sniper tools are very easy and very easy to understand. You don't have to stress yourself with anything. Just follow the prompt and you'll be able to get the result you want for yourself. So once I've been able to do all of those things, okay, I'm going to go ahead and click on start. So now once I go ahead and click on start, automatically this tool will open up a different browser where it's going to start surfing the net and it's going to be helping me generate the email addresses of these persons. So you can see how this tool works. You don't have to be the one stressing yourself doing it manually by going to your profile, you copy email address, you paste it in a CSV file. No, this tool does the work for you. You don't have to do anything all by itself. It keeps on refreshing and it keeps on doing everything it should do to get me emails. All that I want is that you provide me with emails. How you do it, I don't know. The technical things about it, I don't know. All I need you to do is to give me emails. So guys, you can see how super fast this tool works. So this is actually what I do to get emails for myself. And I hope you know that after you've been able to get all those emails, it is very essential and very important that you get to verify. And I'm going to show you why I actually love using the lead sniper tools. I'm going to prove it to you that this tool generate quality emails. I'm going to show it to you. So if I allow this to run for a very period of time, maybe if a very short time, I can get up to 1,000. I can get up to 1,000. So lead sniper tools are very spectacular in all areas. Technically easy to understand, and it is actually fast and very durable. So I'm going to also go ahead and use a different browser entirely, and the main reason why I want to use a different browser entirely is so as to show you guys that I can be running on two browsers, getting the result of different people's entirely. Like I can run on two browsers, and also the result for A is going to be different from the result of B. So I can as much as well target people who are on Instagram, people who are in this certain location. On the second browser, I can go ahead and target people on Twitter, people on TikTok with a different location entirely. You can see how super amazing this tool can be, and I can tell you this for a fact. If you are truly sincere with yourself, you want to go ahead to getting quality emails, one of the best tools you should strive in getting. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open up my second browser, and right here on my second browser, I'm going to repeat the same process over and over again. Now you can see that the different thing here is that the kind of person I'm targeting, the niche I'm targeting, all right, and also the social media handle, and lastly the location. They are all different from the first browser, but that would not disrupt the first browser's own, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on start, and you can see as well that this would continue running. So on two browsers now, I am making use of this tool to carry out scraping processes. I'm making use of this tool to carry out scraping processes, and you can see how super fast it can be. So guys, one of the best tools to use is the lead sniper tool. I'm telling you for a fact, and I tell you that I will keep on talking about those two until people who are ready, people who are willing to enhance their email list, build a quality email list, will get to watch this video, learn from it, and implement and get the result they want for themselves. So simultaneously, I have those two browsers running, and you can see how super fast they can be. Browser 1 is basically targeting people on Instagram. Browser 2 is basically targeting people on Twitter. You can see at all different paces. So super easy and super amazing to do. So one of the reasons why you do multiple browsers, or one of the reasons why I love doing multiple browsers, is that I have a leverage. So somebody can actually tell me, okay, I want you to help me get leads of 500 people on Instagram. Another person can tell me, okay, I want you to help me get leads of people on LinkedIn. So I don't need to wait for browser 1 to get exhausted before I carry out the other scraping process. I can use two browsers at once, and they'll run simultaneously, and I'll get the result of the two browsers. So if you actually want to go ahead and use the software, I think we should go ahead and check their pricing plan so that you can basically choose the one that would work for you. So here on their pricing plan, guys, you can see that they have 3 pricing plans basically, all right. And see each pricing plan here has its own features. You can expect the plan for number 1 to work for plan B and plan C. No, they all have their own features, and the plan I'm making use of here basically is actually what is giving me the edge to work on multiple browsers. So for for those of you who want to go with the first plan here, this one basically here is actually going to be working on just one browser alone. One browser alone. And if you want to do just one browser, it's fine. You can go with this plan. And the fact that Lead Sniper tools, okay, are just a one-time payment is just so amazing. You pay only once, and for a lifetime. You don't need to pay anything again. Just imagine you paying this amount of money for a lifetime. I mean, unlimited leads for a lifetime. You are paying nothing. Even when they release future updates, you as well get access to making use of it. Why? Because you have paid once and you have paid for a lifetime. And I will tell you this for a fact that many other softwares out there would require that you pay per month or pay per every time you use the software. But on Lead Sniper, it's just once. Once you are able to clear your payment, you activate it, you are gone. That is all. For a lifetime, you don't need to bother about payment, and that is why I love it. Ever since I've used this tool since last year, I have not paid anything, and the amount of leads I have gotten from here for myself and even sold to so many other agencies has just been so amazing, guys. So you want to make sure that you choose the best plan for yourself. The second plan here is going to work on multiple browsers entirely. So if you want to go ahead with multiple browsers, you can go ahead and use this one here. And the last plan here is going to go with 10 different browsers. I mean, 10 different browsers. That means you can get up to 100,000 leads in a single day. If one browser can get you 1,000 or 10,000, the second one 10,000 as well. Our combination of those things would get you over 100,000 quality leads every single day. So you want to make sure you go with the best plan that basically suits you. So think about those things. Well, if I were you, I would go with this best value plan. The popular plan here. I would recommend you go with this one, because if you have this one, you can run on multiple browsers as well, and you just get to pay once. So it means that you can actually do a lot of things all at once. You can script for script for LinkedIn, script for Twitter, script for Instagram, all at once. But nevertheless, please go for the plan that basically suits you or suits your business. So I'm going to allow those to run for a bit of time, and when I'm back here, so once this has actually gotten to an extent, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to download the result of the two browsers, okay? And I'm going to see that we're going to see so many things that this tool gets to offer us. Apart from the email addresses alone, we also have access to their social media handles. So if you want to go ahead and cross-check if this person is real, this tool would get you the person's URL so that you can click on the URL. It takes you directly to the person's profile, and you can see whatever thing you want to see all for yourself. All right, now guys, you can see I am back here, and you can see that I actually had to pause this, okay? I had to pause this. Why? Because I don't want to make this video a lengthy one. I want to come back here, show you guys how to download your result, and also show you guys some certain things you need to know about this tool. So you can see if I go ahead right now, you can see on the first browser here, you can see the result I have here, over 3,000, and on the second browser here, also over 3,000 as well. So these are two browsers here that I've been able to get over 3,000 quality leads already. So if I want to go ahead and download the result of the first browser, all I have to do is to click on export here. So if I click on export, I have the the leverage of choosing if I want to download my result as a CSV file or in another format. But for me, I love going with the CSV because it's very easy for me to use. I can get the CSV file downloaded. I can just send it to my softwares or send it to people, and they can do whatever thing they want to do with it. So I'm going to go ahead and download as a CSV. This is for the first browser. Please note that for the first browser. Now you can see that it has been downloaded. I'm going to go now to the second browser now. For the second browser as well, export, I'm going to click on that, and I'm going to choose CSV as well. So you can see for second browser, we also have this already downloaded. Now let me go ahead and open that of the first browser so that you guys can see. Remember that we are targeting people on Instagram. So I'm going to open it up, and now you can see what the result looks like. So you can see every information we need concerning every person is right here. We can see the niche that we're targeting. That is what we have here. So you can see we also have their phone contact here. So for every person who has his or her phone contact displayed on his or her profile, this tool will get to find it. And that is why you can see some here and some don't have. Okay, so but when it comes to emails, you can see that all the columns are all occupied. Why? Because everybody, I want to believe if you want to open your Instagram account, you would need an email address. And that is actually how it works. You can see all the email addresses here are found here on the email column, and also their social media handle URL is also being displayed here. So you can see social media handle is also displayed. So if you want to go ahead and check out this person, you can just copy the social media handle URL, paste it on your browser, send it, okay, and you're going to be finding more details about each person here on your CXV file. So you can see how powerful this tool works. And if I keep on going down and down, you can see all the email addresses, you can see all the email columns are all occupied. You can see how beautiful and how super easy and how amazing this tool can be. Now for the second browser entirely, now let's take a look at that. You can see here as well, for the second browser, we are targeting people on Twitter. So you can see as well on the second browser here, this is the result, and you can see we also have the niche, we also have the the phone contact column, we have the email address as well, and we also have the social handle of each person here. So that is actually what this tool does. Now all you need to do is to get the email addresses sorted out. Probably you pay somebody to help you arrange all those things, but if you want to arrange it yourself, this is actually what the result looks like. But if you want to actually go ahead and maybe arrange it, you want to sort only for the email addresses, you can go ahead and do that. So what I do every now and then is what I just reviewed to you using the Lead Sniper Google Search Scraper tool. So please, if you want to get quality leads, please go for this tool. All right, get the pricing plan for yourself, activate your account, watch this video right here to show you guys how to install it and how to activate it. So once you've been able to activate it, you have access to using this tool for a lifetime, getting you unlimited leads anytime you need them and from anywhere you want them. So I believe this video was very, very informative. If you actually got value from this video, please smash the like button, subscribe, and let me know if you have any question in the comment section below. And I'm going to be leaving the link to the Lead Sniper tool down in the description box, and also I'm going to pin the link in the comment section for easy access. So thank you, and I'll see you in my other videos. Please take care of yourself, and bye.